Natural Products Expo West is the annual event for natural health products. It's going to showcase over 3,000 exhibitors this year, and more than 70,000 attendees are expected right here at the Anaheim Convention Center. And I'm here seeking out the latest trends in the industry, which include mission-conscious brands who are bringing climate awareness to market with environmental solutions at the forefront and weaving their love of Mother Earth mission right into their value proposition. Now, consumers also demand to know the who, what, where, when, and why, and how of the health products that they buy, and they look to dietary supplements and functional foods to fill in their nutrient gaps, stay active and healthy, and fend off stress, and perhaps even attain a good night's sleep. Let's go see what we find. One of the most important to review is probiotics. I'm here with Vera Mongna, and she's the CEO of Probiotical out of Italy.
And we continue to study new probiotics. Let's say we make new trials, new clinical tests in humans to understand how can this bacteria have, an improvement of quality of life of people. Yeah, in our opinion, sustainability is so important since also because we are producing bacteria that are something natural. So it's very, online with what we are producing. We chose for our production not to use animal-based raw materials to produce bacteria. Yeah. And we also decided absolutely not to use soy, because soy is so, let's say, dangerous for our environment. So it's better not to use it absolutely. They work so much on the science in the back of the strains. So what we did with them is to show and to, let's say, to explain to them the characteristics of the different strains. So the immune or the anti-inflammatory or, anti-pathogenic activity and so on. So they chose which could be the good, the best strains for them. We created some blends according to their request, because we really can, match our strains according to the request specific of the customers.
Just so much going on here, right? But it's really great to see, a few of Probiotical's customer partners in Gero and in New Chapter. But you guys never stop innovating. You're always doing, new science, new research.
Yes, we continue, as you say, to innovate. Our first focus is the research, and we already have some wonderful products for the beauty from within. And we will launch soon also some strains that have efficacy for the topic application of the skin. And we will launch the beauty area, so for the, let's say, beauty of the skin, the glow, the skin that is more glow. So stay tuned.
Hey, it's fitness and lifestyle expert here, Brent Bishop, and I'm sitting here with Anthony Almada, nutrition and exercise biochemist.
I'll be talking about the unique method and technology that Probioticals developed to make sure that the amount of the dead cells, which sounds kind of scary, are present when the known amounts and throughout the life of the product, because most cosmetics have a shelf life,
of course,
an expiry date. And if you can't measure the active ingredient that you're adding to it over time, you don't know if it's still there.
You're going to get a lot covered, basically, is what Anthony's saying. So when does this actually take place, so people can actually tune in?
The end of March.
The end of March.
In Barcelona.
In Barcelona. You heard it from the man himself.
If I had a crystal ball, and I like to do this, I would predict the future of innovation. And if we could marry this really unique innovation, well, let's see. We've got Klaus from Probiotics over here on my left, and he's going to explain a really unique, innovative technology. And we've got Vera from Probiotical, who's going to explain to us also a really unique, interesting probiotic. So let's start with you, Klaus, and the Probiotics Smart Chew technology.
Yeah. So what we delivered, is a new delivery format which really enable us to include a lot of different ingredients in this very consumer-friendly chewable.
We studied this very interesting new proprietary technology where we can make a heat treatment of our bacteria, we can so preserve the cell, we can count the cell, and we can have proven efficacy on this particular bacteria. So I think that this would be, let's say, a good marriage for the future.
I agree. Imagine rubbing this crystal ball and out pops a Smart Chew technology that delivers therapeutic doses, pure, traceable, sustainable probiotic in a smart chew, I'm taking that every day. Folks, that does it for me this year. Anaheim 2023 Natural Product Expo West. We will see you next year in 2024.